Why do some people seem to effortlessly grow their wealth while others struggle to make ends meet? What if the secret isn't in complex strategies or hidden market insights, but in simple, everyday choices? In the only investment guide you'll ever need, Andrew Tobias reveals that building lasting wealth isn't reserved for the elite. It's attainable for anyone willing to make smart, practical moves with their money. Get ready to uncover straightforward tactics that can transform your financial life and put you on the path to financial independence, one simple step at a time. Andrew Tobias is not just a seasoned author, he's a celebrated financial writer whose insights have guided millions. With a career spanning decades, Tobias has contributed to prominent publications like Time and Esquire, making complex financial topics accessible to everyday readers. Known for his wit and practical advice, Tobias has earned a reputation as a trusted voice in personal finance. In the only investment guide you'll ever need, he distills his years of experience into simple, actionable steps, proving that financial security doesn't require a degree in economics, just a willingness to learn and act. His approach is as engaging as it is empowering, offering readers the tools to take control of their financial future without being overwhelmed. The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need, originally published by Andrew Tobias, is a classic in personal finance literature. Tobias, an established financial writer, offers practical advice on building wealth, saving, and investing without the need for complicated jargon or risky strategies. The book's aim is to empower everyday people to make smart financial choices and ultimately achieve financial independence. Let's break down its core concepts and understand how Tobias's advice can help you take control of your financial future. Frugality as the foundation of wealth. Tobias starts with a fundamental principle: live below your means. He emphasizes that saving money starts with managing your expenses wisely. This doesn't mean depriving yourself of all pleasures, but rather being mindful about where your money goes. The less you spend on unnecessary items, the more you can allocate to your financial growth. Tobias suggests that even small adjustments, like skipping a daily latte or reducing your cable bill, can make a big difference over time. He stresses the importance of setting financial goals and building a budget to help track progress. The power of compound interest. A recurring theme in the book is the power of compound interest, which is essentially the concept of earning interest on your interest. Tobias explains how investing early and consistently can lead to exponential growth over time. For example, if you start investing in your 20s, even small contributions can grow substantially by the time you retire, thanks to compounding. He uses accessible examples to show how even modest sums invested at a decent rate of return can grow into significant savings. Tobias recommends using compounding to your advantage by starting as soon as possible, allowing time to work its magic. Understanding different types of investments. Tobias delves into various investment options, each with its own level of risk and reward. He covers everything from stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds, explaining the benefits and downsides of each. Tobias also makes a case for index funds, which are low-cost, passive investments that often outperform actively managed funds over the long term. For risk-averse investors, he suggests focusing on bonds or stable income-generating assets. He emphasizes the importance of diversification, spreading investments across different assets to minimize risk, managing risk and diversifying wisely. Tobias underscores the importance of managing risk through diversification. He explains that by spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can protect yourself from market volatility. For example, if the stock market takes a downturn, investments in bonds or real estate might provide some stability. Tobias also talks about the value of balancing your portfolio based on your risk tolerance and time horizon. For instance, younger investors with a longer time frame might invest more heavily in stocks, while older investors might focus more on bonds and other low-risk assets. Tax efficiency and smart strategies. Tobias discusses the importance of tax efficiency, urging readers to consider the tax implications of their investments. He explores tax-advantaged accounts like IRAs and 401ks, explaining how these can help you save for retirement while minimizing your tax burden. He also advises using strategies like tax loss harvesting, which involves selling losing investments to offset gains elsewhere in your portfolio. Tobias suggests consulting a tax advisor if you're uncertain about how to maximize tax efficiency in your specific situation. Handling debt and building credit wisely. Tobias emphasizes the importance of handling debt responsibly. He recommends paying off high-interest debt, such as credit card balances, as quickly as possible, since the interest on these debts can often outweigh the returns from investing. He also discusses how to build and maintain a good credit score, which can impact your ability to borrow money and get favorable interest rates. Tobias suggests avoiding payday loans and other high-cost borrowing methods, which can quickly spiral into unmanageable debt. The emotional side of investing. Tobias touches on the psychological aspects of investing, cautioning readers against letting emotions drive their financial decisions. He explains that fear and greed are two common emotions that can lead to poor choices, such as panic selling during a market downturn or chasing after hot stocks. Tobias advises adopting a long-term perspective and sticking to your investment strategy, regardless of market fluctuations. He also suggests periodically reviewing and adjusting your portfolio, but warns against making impulsive changes based on short-term trends. Staying informed without getting overwhelmed. Tobias advises staying informed about financial news and trends, but cautions against information overload. He suggests focusing on the big picture rather than getting bogged down by daily market fluctuations or sensationalist headlines. Tobias also recommends a few trusted sources for financial news and encourages readers to continually educate themselves on personal finance and investing. However, he warns against relying too heavily on expert predictions, which are often unreliable. Instead, he advocates for a simple, consistent approach to investing. The importance of insurance and estate planning. Tobias highlights the role of insurance in protecting your assets and ensuring your financial security. He covers different types of insurance, including health, auto, and life insurance, and explains how to determine the right amount of coverage for your needs. He also touches on the basics of estate planning, such as creating a will and setting up a power of attorney. Tobias explains that while these may not directly impact your investment returns, they are crucial components of a comprehensive financial plan. Creating a simple yet effective financial plan. In the final chapters, Tobias outlines a step-by-step approach to creating a financial plan that aligns with your goals and risk tolerance. He emphasizes that a good plan doesn't need to be complex. A simple strategy, like regularly contributing to a diversified portfolio of index funds, can be more effective than constantly trying to time the market or pick winning stocks. Tobias advises setting realistic goals, sticking to your plan, and periodically reassessing your progress. He underscores the importance of patience, discipline, and consistency in building long-term wealth. Applying these concepts in real life. While Tobias provides a comprehensive overview of financial concepts, he also emphasizes the importance of taking action. The book is filled with practical tips and actionable advice that readers can start implementing immediately. Tobias encourages readers to make gradual changes, such as increasing their savings rate or shifting a portion of their portfolio to more diversified assets. By breaking down complex topics into manageable steps, Tobias makes it clear that anyone can take control of their finances and work towards a secure financial future. By following Tobias's advice, you can build a strong foundation for financial success, regardless of your current income level or financial knowledge. His emphasis on frugality, disciplined investing, and long-term planning provides a clear roadmap for achieving financial security. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, the only investment guide you'll ever need offers timeless insights that can help you navigate the world of personal finance with confidence.